The Collective Nature of Spiritual Evolution by Dave Marsland of Cardiff Theosophical Society. Blavatsky emphasised that the evolution of consciousness is not merely an individual pursuit, but a collective one. This perspective challenges the often prevalent notion of individualism in modern society, suggesting instead that our spiritual growth is interconnected. As one person awakens to higher truths, they inadvertently assist others in their journeys, creating a ripple effect through the collective consciousness. This interconnectedness implies that personal development is intrinsically linked to the well-being of the community and the world at large. Thus, the spiritual evolution of humanity is a shared responsibility where each individual's progress contributes to the greater whole.